If you're trying to lose weight and juicing keeps popping up everywhere, let's talk about it honestly. Not the juice for 3 days and cry in your kitchen kind, but the kind where bloating goes down, cravings calm down, and your body finally cooperates instead of acting like it's in survival mode. Because here's the truth. Juicing doesn't magically burn fat. It helps remove the things that make weight loss harder, and that's it. Most weight loss struggles aren't because you're lazy or lack discipline. They're because your body is overwhelmed. Too much stress, blood sugar all over the place, digestion worn out, inflammation doing the most. Juicing works when it helps your body calm down, not when you stop eating and get angry by noon. So let's do this the smart way. Juicing can reduce bloating and water weight when digestion is stressed and your body is holding on to everything. It can help control cravings because more stable blood sugar means fewer "why am I standing in the pantry again" moments. It supports digestion by giving your gut less work to do. And when stress goes down, weight loss stops feeling impossible. The mistake people make is replacing meals with juice, drinking mostly fruit, or juicing all day. And then they feel shaky, tired, and mad at strangers for no reason. That's not fat loss, that's chaos. Juicing works best when it supports meals, not replaces real food. Drink juice in the morning or between meals, not late at night, and not instead of dinner every day. Keep it veggie heavy, always. A simple juice that supports weight loss looks like this: cucumber for bloating, celery for digestion, spinach for nutrients without sugar, a green apple for a little sweetness so this doesn't feel like punishment, lemon to help digestion, and ginger to calm inflammation and help appetite. 1 cucumber, 3 celery stalks, 1 cup of spinach, 1 green apple, half a peeled lemon, and about an inch of ginger. Drink 4 to 6 ounces, not a gallon. This is not a juice chugging contest. It helps you feel fuller, less bloated, and less snacky without killing your energy. If you want something more supportive for fat loss, try beetroot for blood flow, spinach for nutrients, lemon for digestion, and ginger again, because it shows up and does the work. Small amounts, slow sips. Now let's talk expectations. Juicing won't melt fat overnight, and anyone who says that is lying or selling something. What actually happens is quieter. Your stomach feels flatter, cravings calm down, you eat less without forcing it, and weight loss feels easier instead of exhausting. That's real progress. One important thing: you still need protein. Juicing without protein is how people lose muscle and feel awful. Eat real meals and let juice support the process, not replace it. This isn't about extremes. It's about helping your body instead of yelling at it. And if you want to make this easier, check the links in the description for juicing tools we actually use. Nothing fancy, nothing dramatic, just stuff that makes this doable. Weight loss works better when your body feels supported, not attacked. Sometimes losing weight faster starts with doing less stress, less restriction, less chaos, and giving your body a break.